Lawyer Nana Boache, Henry, me watch Anope.
Omanhene, bra, patrol me so.
That nobody has say, Anope, and some of me beside Tiawa. Any probably Domanatum, Joseph Yami, a national organizer to say, or so or catch them say, more number 2 Kakra Namode, power brewomo. Now, Omode, Ombe, Omajuma, that's a way my dream say, Mo fat to me, ma or more, and see that. No beer and slow beer. Uti ambassador Victor Smith in Nakasa Sisia. Ose se ose kechi obi e wo treasonable comment anke na na do ni order bi die. Ene mo se mo tie Bryan Acheampong achi wan ka boni bia. U chire mu sei.
Awan me das. Ne di kan krata part for the buy me boss, the general secretary na na Sashase.
Okay.
But I also made a Facebook comment which also went viral and attracted a lot of media attention. Which I'm sure CBN now will refer to. But the official position of the party, a press release, era lawyer Justin Acheampong at the buy. Near perfume, yes, near and someone era honorable Bryan Acheampong a kind party, soon, party, and one thing, eternity. We support the statement and its content in its entirety. As it would be and why you free. Lady kind, some more kind, any woman. Or shall say, can say, not end this for a young would be say, or my being in an say, COVID, any Russian Ukraine war hereby, economy, wasn't say, economy pie. Let Jensen Nanka Omenya Wadin at the Akasa. Say, they say MPPs and I see. Yamin Chadi. I feel my Rai. Try be Rafi, Muna Petro Board and number 24 Ghana. And they between 11 and 12 cities, Ubenya Fango, Ubenya Fuato. Dollar in Sunanka and this forecasting to 20 cities. I've been Boninti. Yamin Chadi, Aba, Sisiana, and the number 10 cities. Economy no, young what in for NTP so IMF, Edumun Shirabuso, na economy nature, Granny. Na say, NDC for no man who didn't yan say economy and say empire no mania to me be the winia. And yes, sir, say economy no be young one dinner, NDC. Nanya Bia, you better hand the power over to the NDC. In Chile, say because we will win. So if the NDC with another tank is saying, oh, former President Mama Winia, we are also saying we will not hand power over to you because we will win. And the foundation was that say economy no margin was say economy no and say enku na mbenya hodin bia emamu. Yet also me former President Mahama say a person mu and yewo NDC. Basabasa yomu yewo NDC. They were born out of a revolution. Now, almost level of violence, no, it is unmatched. Now they know how to unleash violence. Election 2024, a be do or die affair. Election 2024, a be boot for boot. You say you get your national chairman or Kasa, jump platform so. Or say they are prepared to sacrifice everything, including lives. The video has gone viral, and I'm sure say omanhene what will be.
I was there.
Fantastic. Sukono maya owo mu feature ho swame feature ho baby NDC ni abranche ya ono so say nimpanifo aka ten say omukum ni adije tumi a eyeyi ndomdom bekum de ade tumi na nipa ba kum you no bi hu na tumi ne ba enyen sewe. When this young man was apprehended, NDC for kata and they justify the statement now make here, that criminal statement I will make here. A Bryan man bill. NDC for such man penny for fin cry. Eba two party. Edema branch and Wukumasia. So on that basis, they are saying, say, look, the movie is a modi huna, modi patapa, and a eba. We have the men. Yes, and indeed, there are men in uniform. We have men on Mopogana Hopai. We trust them any Oyene bien to me. Now we were to Papai. But you see, I didn't mean one is NDC for almost Bryan Acheampong too much. Yami has some quite the Fatun channel, no commas, yeah, Pamono Gagre, no more. Omo na original chairman e friend say Nana Kwame say Nana Ntwefen say
Nana Kwesi
ko fo kan wa wo Yami kwa wo prebi du tiafa wo mu contest kwa de bia na ho eti Yami is mo de sa that is what he tries on that some quite the but you see honorable Bryan Acheampong some kind it is not different for Bobby Bekase MP NDCD, we are going to form the next government. But and they've said it yesterday. I was engaged in a lot of conversation with Omunko Foni Bibri, and they have said it. Now, they always say Mahama Baby, you know. Yeah, the Yankas MPP be losing hand
the comment.
What are you talking about?
The comment that says NDC for office behind the power Maoma NC Dano. Chilemuye because. To many, it's like as if
we will not hand power over to the NDC because we will be managing the economy very well. He laid the foundation. He started talking about the economy. He never in his statement said, MPP lose, MPP renew, hand the power over. He never said that. Wakasa. He was very optimistic. He was very positive. He was energized. He was telling our people that look, hand the power over to the NDC. And I support that statement because we are not going to lose. And I'm repeating it on your radio, on your line, that we are not going to hand power over to the NDC because we will be managing the economy very well and we will win the elections.
Barring any hitch, if NPP Ghanaians say that your time is up, will you hand over?
MPP be winning.
You are cocksure.
MPP be winning.
Henry Nanabuachi, Mami Fonsi Amedasi.
Yamisha.
Okay.